Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video. In today's video we are back with another VPN app. The app will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. So this app is on Google Play Store. It will help you to add extra layer of security, secure your connection, and also enhance on your online activities when you are using the internet. So open Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And let me take this chance to welcome all of you on this channel. New and subscribers, you are highly welcomed. So when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for this app. The app is known as RNV Tunnel VPN, and you search for that, and among the presented you pick this one, RNV Tunnel VPN, and you install the app on your device after searching for it. And after that, after installing, open the app, and when you open the app it will take you to its home screen. And when you reach on its home screen, you are required to do some settings for this app to work. First of all, you are required to tap on this update button. So you tap here where you see update, and from here you will be required to tap on online update. So this is done to update the app resources so that it can work, as it secures your connection as you are using the internet. And this will help the app to perform well, or to provide you the best service when you are using it. And the other setting is you are required to pick a server. So you tap on the server list right here. You tap on the server list, then you can pick any of the available servers. But for today's video, we're gonna use the auto select server option for better performance. So this option will help you so that the app picks the best working server automatically. And after that, the other setting is you are required to pick a network. And for today's video we are sharing UDP. This is because UDP is fast and secure when you are online. So I recommend you to pick the Country UDP. This is because UDP is working for all countries which support UDP. If your country supports UDP, this option will work for you. And if UDP is not working for you, you tap here and then you pick your country name. But for today's guide, I recommend you to use UDP. And after that, to ensure a secure connection and extra protection as you are online, please you tap on this start button. And when you tap on the start button, you give this app a few seconds for it to connect. And after a few seconds, the app will be connected. As you can see right here, the app changed the connection to connected. As you can see now, our connection is secured. And that's how we set up RNV Tunnel to get a fast and a secure connection and extra protection as we are online. And that's it for today's guide. Please like, share, subscribe on this channel for more useful content, and please you comment, and let's meet in the next video.